Step 1. Solve a clear, painful problem. Value starts here. People don't pay for effort or talent. They pay to remove pain. To fix this, define who do I help? What problem do I solve? No problem is equals to no money. Step 2. Turn your skill into measurable results. Skill alone is invincible. Results make it real. Instead of I am good at this, say I increased X and I improved Y. An actionable step to take. Attach numbers or outcome to growth, speed, money, efficiency. Value becomes clear when it can be seen. Step 3. Make yourself easy to understand. Confusion kills value. If people don't understand you in 5 seconds, they move on. So, create a simple statement. I help dash get dash by dash. For example, I help real small businesses get more customers through content. Clarity attracts money. Step 4. Show your value consistently. If nobody sees your value, it doesn't exist in the market. So show proof regularly. Your before and after result processes. Small proof matters. Visibility increases perceived value. Step 5, the last and not the least. Put yourself in the right market. You can be valuable, but if you are in the wrong audience and in the wrong place and in the wrong pricing level, you won't be able to be seen. So position yourself where people need your skill. People can also afford that skill. Value grows where it is recognized. Now take this down. You don't become valuable by working harder. You become valuable by solving real problems and making it obvious.